Hello folks, it's Samantha from Tully Slings, and today I'm going to show you how to get baby on your back in this buckle carrier. This is the Tula Free to Grow, and I already have it set up for baby's width and height. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it on just under our bust like so, through the safety elastic like so, and snapping in, giving it a nice firm wiggle to ensure the buckle is pushed fully home. What I'm now going to do is lengthen off my arm straps a little bit to give me manoeuvring room. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and lift baby. I'm going to pop baby into the correct pelvic position like so. Reach my hand through, running flat along the waistband, pulling out and up. I am then going to bring the straps up, lean baby back and cross them in front of baby's face. I am swinging this way, so this strap on this side will sit on top. This strap sits on the bottom. I'm going to reach through the straps so that I am holding them flat in my hand like so, with the black webbing lying across my forearm and dangling down here. I'm now going to grasp hold of my waistband, and on the count of 3, I'm going to swing baby around and onto my back. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to keep my elbow tight against my breast, and this here will just slip through my elbow. I'm going to hold baby up nice and high, like so. Split the straps, grasp them here and tighten up my waistband. I'm now going to go and tighten up this shoulder strap. There we go. Tighten that up and pop my arm through this one. There we go. I'm now going to strap my chest strap into place and tighten. Okie doke, just ensuring that baby is in the correct position. If we turn there, you can see the pelvic position. We have got knees up above the hips. Top tip, if you use the selfie camera on your phone, you can check that baby's airways are nice and clear and their position is as you want them. Thank you for watching.